Hello friends, our today's topic is interval. So let's start. So interval, as you can see here, is written that an interval is the distance between two notes. So in simple words, there are two notes. You can see the distance between them from here down to up. This distance called the intervals. So if you can see, if the counting we keep here, so you can see the first is a bass clef. So this is your F. So from F, you go to G, A, B, and C. You finish on C. So this is the first note, second note, third note, fourth note, fifth note. So that means this is a fifth interval. Okay. Now next we can see there's one more interval which is called if the notes are together on the same position, either this one or this one, they call unison because they are at the same place. Okay. There is no distance between them. Now third example, if you see here, it is, you can see this bass clef, we start from G and this is G, and if you count from bottom, G, A, B, C, D, E, F and G, so you reach to the same note again. This is called an octave interval. Okay, the interval of 8th step. Okay, now let's do the exercise. First one. So in this one you can see name the following intervals by counting up the notes. Okay, so you can see first example they have given. Let's do the second one. This is bass clef and this is our F, right? So if we count, if we make like this, okay, to make only 5 notes. Let's see till where it is on the line here and till here. So that let's count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That means this is an octave. So an octave higher. Okay. Next, if you see this, let's make it from here. Let's make the notes. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's count from here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is fifth. Next, if we go, let's make it from here, there, there and here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is fourth. Okay. Now let's move on. Now here are types of intervals we need to know in grade 1. There are more than this. So this is unison, second, third, fourth, fifth and octave. Okay. You can see the third one. Easier to find it that the unison, third and fourth, they will be either on the line or in the space. Okay. And wherever if you see the second and fourth, in them the distance will be, one will be on the line and other one will be in the space. That will happen. Okay. So you can just look at this whole thing. It's simple to understand. I'll just straight away go to your exercise to solve it out. Okay. So let's find out this one. This is simple. This is unison. This one is bass clef. So this is your G and this is also G. So that is an octave. This is your treble clef and this is your C and that's your F and G. So G. So from C to G is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is fifth. Now this is bass clef. This is F. Sorry, this is F and this is G. So this is second. Next you can see this is C and this is F. So we count from 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is fourth. Next we go, this is bass clef. So this is C and C to F. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. This is again fourth. Next, this is treble clef, this is your F, and that's your A. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So this is third. So I hope you understood this one, the intervals. If you have any questions regarding to this, please do text me in the comment section. I will try to reply and do my best. Okay, so hope to see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.